Good morning and happy Saturday, everyone. It's your girl Maya, and today I'm gonna be doing my lashes the new way. So I ordered these on Amazon. See, they are pretty much mink lashes, little clusters. They're from sizes 8 to 16, and I got this lash glue right here. I envy long lasting individual lash adhesive. So yeah, I got that at the beauty supply store. So I think it was like $4 or something like that. But the Vava lashes, the strips, that was like $10 on Amazon, and I'll link it as well if you all want to try to get them. All right, everyone, so I got my tweezers and we're gonna do this right now. So I am gonna just put some of this gel, not gel, I'm gonna put this glue right here on the thing. I'm gonna just dip my lash in. Okay, that's that time. Okay, let's keep going. So I did another 16. Trying to get it to stick to the lash. Dang, this one is not sticking for shit. Now let's try this again. This is a little dry now. Should be a little tacky. And boom, and it worked. Boom, just like that. Okay, let's keep going. It's 16, 16, 14, 14, 16. Now I'm doing another 14. But that one is almost done. I'm just gonna add a little more in there. That's gonna make it thicker. So yeah. Be like, yes. So one lash is done. Now I'm gonna start on the next lash. And this is the real finished look. So I hope you all liked it. My little tutorial. Like and share. It took me about, I would say probably about 30 or 45 minutes to do. But I tell you, I love how cute my lashes look.
My residual should've known. I blow like an inner tube, I got hate. On haters is pitiful, get a buzz. For each individual, I got money, so don't get political. Got them up in my DM, they so typical. Shit, I'm up on these bitches like it's 10 to 2. Your man want my legs up in 10 to 2. I'm a thief in the night.